Okay, so you're going to have to ignore the extra noise going on. We have construction going on today, so not fun. But this is one of the composites that I'm going to do. There's two of them actually. So here's one that I started. So this is the one where I'm holding her wrist together, and this is the one where I'm holding the top of her head. So I've already went and selected this and pasted it on here. Once you do that, you push this button, create a layer mask, get a black brush, and start out there. Make sure you're on your mask. That will help. Start brushing it off. So I didn't line this one up perfectly. Obviously, the more perfect you line it up, the easier it's gonna be. But she was a little wiggly, so I got what I could get and got out of there. So let's see. Shadow right there. I'm probably gonna just end up liquefying that little spot right there, pushing it in. See, I might make it a tad bit smaller right there. And I'm gonna push into the right side just a hair. Okay, on and off. I like to do it this way. You can also push the backspace bar and see where you erased and didn't erase, but okay, so now I need to get my white one. So if you mess up, you can just flip brushes, get your white one, flip it back, just like that. I don't like that little bitty dot there. Gonna have to clone that, I guess. Okay, so gotta fix that headband. Again, if you line it up perfectly, everything works out a lot better. But she got fidgety after this, so I took a safe shot. And when I went to go get her correctly, she wouldn't do it anymore. So figured I would work with what I got. This will at least help you guys if you get one that's not so cut and paste. Can kind of work around it. I'll have to leave it like that, I think. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and crop in here a little bit. Straighten her up a tad. There we go. Look at that. I always save my PSD just in case later on down the road I see something. It happens every now and then. I'll see something that I don't like. And then I'll go under here on Filter Liquify. And do that little push in I was talking about. And then I'm going to have to color in her hair right there on that one spot. down. Let's see here. No one else probably would have noticed that, but it would have drove me crazy. So all right, there you go. I have to do skin and do all my edits now, but this is straight out of camera plus the composite. So there you go.